Hello and welcome back. Until now, whatever we have performed on the blockchain was validated using the proof of authority consensus algorithm. The proof of authority is a consensus method that gives a small and designated number of blockchain nodes the power to validate the transaction or interactions with the network and to upload its distributed registry. According to the chosen scheme, which is proof of work, one or more validating machines are responsible for generating each new block of transactions that will be included in the blockchain. The new block can be accepted directly without verification or simply by majority depending on the configuration chosen for blockchain. Now we have 4 nodes that complete our local blockchain system, and let's add the 5th node to the system and make it a validator node. All of the validators make up a dynamic validator set where the validators can be added to or removed from the set by voting. This means that the validators can be added or removed from the validator set through the voting of majority validator nodes. In this way, malicious validator can be recognized and removed from the network, while new trusted validators can be added to network. Now back to the adding 5th node in our blockchain. Let's first set up the data directory for the 5th node with the same command with which we have initiated the other 4 nodes before. After successfully creating the data directory for the 5th node, it will print all the credentials like validator key, BLS key and the node ID for the 5th node. Now let's propose this as a validator node from the first node. We will replace this validator key and BLS public key with the keys that we have just got by initializing the 5th node data directory. This will result success. Now let's try to run this node and see if it's a validator node or not. Let's run this node with the same command with which we have started the other 4 nodes. And as you can see, this is just syncing the blocks that have added to the current blockchain by the other 4 nodes. Even after completing the sync, it's just adding the blocks and not performing the validation like other blocks. Since we have proposed this as a validator from just node 1, and we have a total of 4 nodes that do not make 51% of votes or majority votes, so this node is not a validator node yet. Now let's propose this as a validator node from the other 2 nodes, that's 2nd and 3rd node. We have to just replace the gRPC port in order to run the command again. Now this node has got more than 51% votes to become a validator node. And now let's run the node again and see if it's validating the blocks. And as you can see, it's validating the blocks and then adding it to the blockchain. Now you can also propose to remove this from validating nodes. The command is same. Instead of just auth, we will have to add the drop. That's it. When more than 51% of the node vote for the removing of this node as a validator node, it will be removed from the validator set. So this is how we can run non-validator nodes and make them validator nodes, and also we can remove them afterwards. See you in the next lesson.